We now have order confirmation support right within Forms. This feature seamlessly integrates with form submissions, providing buyers with instant confirmation and enhancing the checkout experience for your users. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to streamline the checkout process. Now you can automatically display order confirmation pages upon form submission. This is going to enhance your customer experience. It's going to simplify post-purchase interactions by providing a clear and concise confirmation details page. It's also going to stick with your brand consistency. That order confirmation page is going to automatically be designed to match the existing theme. As far as practical use goes, it is incredible. First of all, after one of your customers completes a purchase through the form, an order confirmation page automatically appears, displaying personalized message and order details, ensuring a seamless and professional checkout experience. So first we need to make sure that we have a form. So we're either going to create a form or we're going to edit one. To do that, you're going to go to Sites, you're going to select Forms, and you're going to select for a new form plus add form, or you're going to select the three-dot kebab so that you're able to edit. Now you're going to go ahead and make sure that you add the payment element. To do that in any form, you're going to click the plus icon, and then you're going to go to Integration and then into Payments. Now go ahead and add the specific product that you're selling. Access any styles and options that you'd like to do or change, and that is that style and options icon. Now you're going to add the order confirmation. This is a new option. It used to just have open URL and message. Now you can choose order confirmation so that this automatically happens. Now you're going to view the shipping details. And this is going to look similar to this. Once the customer submits an order, they're going to see all of this information here, and they're going to be able to move forward easily. This is a great way to be able to see everything from that order, including what they ordered, those shipping details, everything they need to know so that they feel confident that their order has gone through. Elevate your customer's checkout experience with instant order confirmation pages, enhancing trust and satisfaction within the CRM. We hope you enjoy this feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.